Guys, I just managed to spray this clothes just now. Can you see the weather? Rain is dropping again. Omo, I don't know what to do. I just managed to spray this clothes with my baby. Look at my baby. Immediately the rain started. Sure, rainy season. Now what for you? I need to remove this clothes because they've already dried a little. I don't want to keep and make it come wait more. I don't want to keep it to lie. Let me remove all of them. I have to. See, I need to pack them inside because if this rain meets this clothes here again, see my baby. Mama, are you seeing the rain? Okay.